Are you looking for perfect modular furniture that caters to your office and home? Your search ends with Decor-x, which is India's leading manufacturing company specializing in best quality furniture at affordable prices. Founded in 2000 by a visionary entrepreneur Arindam Ghosh, the Kolkata headquartered company has become the most trusted brand in home decor segment, serving over 500 happy clients.
We are running this show very successfully and we have been catering to many corporates, and now for last 15 years we are also catering to many residential clients also, which includes modular kitchen.
Quality craftsmanship, functional design and customer satisfaction has been the hallmark for our massive success. In the realm of office furniture, Decor-x offers modular desks, partitions, storage units and seating options that promote collaboration, flexibility and productivity.
We have been serving to many corporates.
Our expertise also extends to homes, as the design of modular furniture easily integrates with your interiors because we work as per your requirements. From entertainment units to bedroom furniture, our versatile solutions allow homeowners to optimize every inch of space in their homes and personalize their living areas in accordance with unique tastes and lifestyles. In the space of the kitchen, Decor-x's customizable modular cabinets, islands and storage solutions provide homeowners with functional and aesthetic culinary spaces.
India is growing at a good pace, and we, being an MSME, we are expecting a huge growth in our northeast zone, and also we are expecting a huge amount of export growth in our country.
We manufacture furniture using premium materials that are completely eco-friendly and designed as per the requirements of our customer. You dream, we design.